Hello all. I'm going to discuss the property of continuous time Fourier transform, that is frequency shifting property. Another name for frequency shifting property is a multiplication by an exponential. So in the last session we have discussed about time shifting property. In the time shifting property means the signal in time domain is shifted to the right side by t naught seconds. If I am writing here plus t naught, then the signal is shifting to the left side. So here in time domain, the signal is shifted such that what is a change in the frequency domain? That is the spectrum. The signal spectrum is multiplied with the exponential e power minus j omega t naught. But now I am going to discuss about frequency shifting property. Frequency shifting property means the signal in the frequency domain is shifted like minus omega naught or plus omega naught. Then what is a change in the time domain? I am going to see now. So here the frequency shifting property states that the multiplication of a time domain signal x of t by e power j omega t naught results in frequency spectrum shifted by omega naught. That is, see, Fourier transform of x of t will give us x of omega. If x of t is multiplied with e power j omega t naught, then the signal in the frequency spectrum will have a shift of omega naught radians per second. So this is what I am going to prove now. So this is a proof. Actually I am writing the signal Fourier transform of signal x of omega. So Fourier transform of x of t will give us x of omega. This is a general formula. Now instead of x of t, what we have to write? X of t into e power j omega t naught. So x of t into e power j omega t naught is equal to minus infinity to infinity, and a place of x of t we have to write x of t into e power j omega t naught. So here Fourier transform of x of t into e power j omega t naught. So instead of x of t we have to write x of t into e power j omega t naught into e power minus j omega t dt. So here integration minus infinity to infinity x of t into, here I am taking e power, this is nothing but omega naught t. Okay, this is omega naught t. Here there is a change in time domain, but here frequency domain, omega minus omega naught is nothing but j omega naught t into x of t, j omega naught t. So here I can take out the common as minus jt such that I'll get omega minus omega naught. So here this can be written as in a frequency domain shifted version of a signal in frequency domain by omega naught radians per second. So x of omega minus omega naught. So similarly e power minus j omega naught t into x of t. After Fourier transform I will have x of omega plus omega naught. And now we did the proof for this one, x of omega minus omega naught. So this is a frequency shifting property or multiplication by an exponential. Next property I am going to discuss is time reversal property. Time reversal property. Okay. So here time reversal property states that Fourier transform of x of t will give us x of omega, and Fourier transform of x of minus t will give us x of minus omega. So now I am going to take the proof. So what is the formula? General formula, x of omega is equal to Fourier transform of x of t is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus j omega t dt. Okay. So instead of x of t, we have to write x of minus t in this formula. Okay. Fourier transform of x of minus t. Okay. X of minus t is equals to minus infinity to infinity x of minus t e power minus j omega t dt. Okay. So replacing t by minus t in the RHS of the above expression, for x of minus Fourier transform of x of minus t, we have Fourier transform of x of minus t is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power j omega t dt. Okay. So here, so by definition, Fourier transform of x of minus t is integration minus infinity to infinity x of minus t into e power minus j omega t dt. So actually, according to the formula here, we will have only x of t, but what the time reversal property is nothing but x of t is replaced with x of minus t here. This is just for according to the definition. But what is time reversal property? Time reversal property is nothing but instead of positive times, we have to consider negative times. So here in the RHS side, I'll replace t by minus t. So Fourier transform of x of minus t will become integration minus infinity to infinity x of minus t is nothing but x of t. Here e power minus j omega t. If t is replaced with minus t, minus of minus will become plus. So e power j omega t into dt. So this can be written as integration minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus j into minus omega into t dt. Again, it will be same as e power j omega t itself. So here, if I compare this one with the standard formula, instead of omega, I am having minus omega. Okay, see here. What is the standard formula? X of omega, Fourier transform of x of t minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus j omega t dt. This is a standard formula, right? So instead of whatever we are having here, I am having the omega, so this will be replaced with the omega. If I am having minus omega, here it will be replaced with x of minus omega. So just compare these two, then this will be equals to Fourier transform of x of minus t is equal to x of minus omega. Okay, so this is the time reversal property. Next property I am going to discuss is time scaling property. Time scaling property. Okay, so let x of at is a compressed version of x of t when a is greater than 1. Next, expanded version of x of t when a is less than 1. Okay, so what is the time scaling properties? States that the Fourier transform of x of t is x of omega, and Fourier transform of x of at 1 by modulus of a into x of omega by a. Means here I am having expanded version and compressed version. This expansion and compression will depends upon the value of a. If a is greater than 1, compression. If a is less than 1, will be expanded. See here, means I am having the two formulas here, that is depending upon the value of a. If a is greater than 1 and less than 1. So I am going to prove now the proof. I am just writing the formula, standard version of formula, integration minus infinity to infinity x of t e power minus j omega t dt. So instead of x of t, what I have to write? X of at. Fourier transform of x of at is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of at into e power minus j omega t dt. So here at is equal to one variable I am considering, that is p. Okay, then t is equals to p by a and dt is equals to dp by a. I am substituting all this in the equation. Minus infinity to infinity x of p, at is nothing but p, e power minus j omega t is nothing but p by a and dt is nothing but dp by a. Okay, so it can be written as 1 by a integration minus infinity to infinity x of p e power minus j omega by a into p dp. Okay, now we'll enter into the cases. If a greater than 0, if a is greater than 0, then Fourier transform of x of at is equals to 1 by a 1 by a integration minus infinity to infinity x of p e power minus j omega by a into p into dp. Okay, when a is greater than 0, so 1 by a into x of omega by a I am writing, because according to the standard formula x of t into e power minus j omega t dt, where whatever we are having here omega, will write omega, the x of omega. Okay, here I am having x of omega by a, so I am writing x of omega by a simply. When a is less than 0, then Fourier transform of f of at is equal to 1 by minus a, means from this formula 1 by minus a from this. If a is less than 0, that is negative values, 1 by minus a integration minus infinity to infinity x of p e power minus j omega by omega by minus a into p into dp. So what I'll have? Minus 1 by a integration minus infinity to infinity x of p e power minus j. Okay, so here it can be written as x of, before I am having here x of omega by a, but here now minus omega by a, so this can be replaced with x of minus omega by a. Okay, so combinedly I can write it as the Fourier transform of x of at can be written as 1 by modulus of a into x of omega by a. When a is greater than 0, then 1 by a x of omega by a. If a is less than 0, then 1 by minus a x of minus omega by a. So this is about the time scaling property. Thank you.